Welcome. In this video Ramadan quiz, can you answer these fasting questions? We are going to guess the 50 question.
Which Islamic month is Ramadan? Correct answer is 9th month. How long does Ramadan last? Correct answer is 29 to 30 days. What are the fasting hours? Correct answer is dawn to sunset. When does the daily fast begin? Correct answer is far begins. Which prayer time ends the fast? Correct answer is Maghrib. What is the Arabic term for fasting? Correct answer is Sawm. What percentage of wealth is Zakat al-Fitr? Correct answer is varies by region. How much food for Zakat al-Fitr per person? Correct answer is Eid al-Fitr. Which festival marks Ramadan's end? Correct answer is Eid al-Fitr. When is Eid al-Fitr? Correct answer is 1st Shawwal. Special night prayers in Ramadan. Correct answer is Taraweeh. How many Taraweeh in Hanafi school? Correct answer is 20. Which night is better than 1000 months? Correct answer is Laylatul Qadr. When is Laylatul Qadr most likely? Correct answer is last 10 nights. Most common night for Laylatul Qadr. Correct answer is 27th night. What breaks the fast intentionally? Correct answer is both. Penalty for intentionally breaking fast. Correct answer is both. Can travelers break fast? Correct answer is yes. Can pregnant women break fast? Correct answer is yes. What should those who miss fasts do? Correct answer is both. What is the pre-dawn meal called? Correct answer is Suhoor. What did Prophet, Pbuh, break fast with? Correct answer is dates. What is recommended at iftar time? Correct answer is both. Fasting in Shawwal is recommended for. Correct answer is 6 days. When was Quran first revealed? Correct answer is 27th Ramadan. What happens in Ramadan? Correct answer is both. Special blessings of Ramadan. Correct answer is both. What is seclusion in mosque called? Correct answer is itikaf. When is itikaf performed? Correct answer is last 10 days. Can women do itikaf? Correct answer is yes. What is feeding the poor instead of fasting called? Correct answer is fidya. Who can pay fidya? Correct answer is both. Kafara for breaking oath. Correct answer is both. Which verse makes fasting obligatory? Correct answer is 505. Seek help through patience and prayer is in. Correct answer is 433. We sent it down in Laylatul Qadr is in. Correct answer is 97:1. What major event occurred in Ramadan? Correct answer is first revelation. Which battle occurred in Ramadan? Correct answer is Badr. When was fasting made obligatory? Correct answer is second. When was Battle of Badr? Correct answer is 624. When was first revelation? Correct answer is 610. Where was first Ramadan fast observed? Correct answer is Medina. Minimum days to fast in Ramadan. Correct answer is 29 days. Can Muslims use moon calculations? Correct answer is yes. When does Islamic year begin? Correct answer is first Muharram. How long is Islamic year? Correct answer is 354 days. Islamic calendar is based on. Correct answer is lunar. How does Islamic month begin? Correct answer is crescent sighting. Days in Islamic month. Correct answer is 29 to 30. Months in Islamic year. Correct answer is 12 months.